Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a website for free with Wix. It's very, very easy, and I'm going to show you guys step by step on how to do this. Just to let you guys know before we get started into this video, I do have a full Wix playlist down below in the description as well as in the comments. So if you guys need more help after this video, feel free to go check that stuff out. There'll be lots of videos there that should help some of you guys. Anyway, all you want to do is head over to wix.com. I have a link for that in the description as well. And then you'll be able to just click on Get Started right here. And then you'll be greeted with this page here. We just have to sign up or log in. So for today's video, we'll just click on this sign up page. And then you just put in your email and then a password for yourself. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Once you've got your email and password put in, you just want to click on sign up. And then it will just take a couple seconds and then load you to the next page. And then it's just going to let you know we want your Wix experience to be perfect for all your needs. We're just going to ask you a few questions to help them get to know you better so you can get started. So we're just going to click on Let's Do It. Now it's just going to ask us a couple questions. So the first one is, who do you want to create a website for? Now this will be different for everyone, but for this tutorial, I'm just going to do myself just for the tutorial's sake, but just read through these and see if any different one applies to you. If so, click on that one for yourself. But I'm going to click on myself. And then the next question is going to be, have you created a website before? So again, for this tutorial, even though it's not my first website, I'm going to click this is my first time because I would assume most of you this will be your first time. But again, you can go through here and click on anyone that applies to you. Now it's going to ask us what kind of website do we need. So I recommend just going into detail when you're looking for something on here. For this tutorial, I'm just going to do YouTube channel because I have a YouTube channel. But as I search for YouTube channel, you guys can see some people are doing more descriptive things like YouTube tech channel, YouTube gaming channel, YouTube personality. So for whatever niche you're going into, you want to make sure you be as specific as you can here, just so the website gets created easily and more smooth. But once you find your option here, you want to go ahead and click on that and then go to next. And then it's going to ask us if we want to let Wix create a website for us or if we want to create our own website with the Wix editor. Now, I'm just going to show you guys in this tutorial how to go with Wix and how to let them create a website for you, just to show you guys how fast and efficient you can get a website up and going. But if you want me to create another tutorial with showing you guys how to use a template and create it that way, just let me know down below. But now I'm going to click on Start Now for the Wix option here. Now it's going to ask us what do we need on our new website, and under recommended you see some stuff that it recommends. So it's showing for me video, Instagram feed, chat, pricing plans, and there's a ton more features down here. So obviously depending on what you guys clicked for what type of website you're looking for, this will vary. But you just want to go through here for yourself and look through what options it's giving you and just click on the ones that you like to add to your website. After you're done clicking on the ones you'd like to add to your website, you just click on the next option. And then it's going to ask us to put the name of our site. So I'm just going to put the name of my YouTube channel, so Proper Academy. And then I'll go ahead and just click on next. And then here it's going to ask us if we want to import any images or text or anything like that. Now I have a YouTube channel, so I'll go ahead and put my YouTube channel in here. So I'll just go ahead to my YouTube channel and just copy my link. And then I'll just go ahead and paste that in here. And I'll just take out the end here, just view as subscriber. So if you have any websites or your business is located on Google Places, you can go ahead and add those pictures or images or anything like that in here as well. But if you don't have any other website or anything like that, you can go ahead and click on next. And then here it's going to ask us to add a logo or anything we want to add, like address, phone number, or fax number. So if you have any business information like that, you want to go ahead and add that in the bottom here. But to add a logo, you just want to click on the plus and just go ahead and click on your logo and add it. Then you want to fill out your address, phone, and fax. And then if you have any other social accounts that you want to add, you just want to click on add a social link. And you could paste your like Instagram or Twitter or anything else you want to add down here. And then once you click and add that there, you can click on the next option. And then here it's going to ask us to pick a theme that we like. So we can just go through here and pick on a theme. Now, obviously you can change the colors of these later, but this is just like a basic option for you to get started. So you want to click on one of these. I'll just click on minimal here. And then I'll click on continue. Then it's going to ask us if we want to use the colors from our logo for the palette for our site. Now, I recommend doing that just so everything looks clean and smooth. But if you don't want to, you can click on skip. I'm just going to click on create. And then it's going to go through our profile image here and find colors for us to use. Once they find the colors, you can just click on use these colors. Then it's just going to give us a couple different options for our website. Now, you just want to go through the options it gives you and see what will work best for your site. Now, I'm looking through these and I really like this third one right here. I think it looks really, really clean. So I'm just going to click on this one. And it's going to ask us if we want to add pages to our sites. So if we want to add like a special videos page, contact page, quote page, about page, whatever you would like to add. Now I'm going to click on add for a videos page. But if you don't want to add any websites or any other pages to your site, you can click on skip at the bottom. But once you're done, you just click on add, and then you just want to click on edit site. Now we're able to see the website that Wix has created for us. To start editing the website, you can just go up to the top header to start. And then here you'll see you have two options to either design or edit. So you want to click on edit. And then it will pop up here what we can change. So it'll show us section design. So if you want to change the section areas and stuff like that, as well as you want to add a business name, a tagline, change your logo, or add any more social accounts. So if you have any social accounts like Instagram or Twitter, you can go ahead and add that down here. It is really, really good because up at the top here, these are actually clickable links. So if you have your other social medias hooked up here, you could actually drive traffic to those from your Wix website as well. As down here, you also have an option to add a phone number or a button or anything like that. I'm just gonna leave this one as is for now, but if you wanna edit any of that, you can do that in there. Next, we go down to here. It'll obviously give you the option to edit and design again. To change this picture, you can go ahead and click on edit. And here you can click on the media. So this is where you would change it if you have your own photo. You could edit and replace it. I'm just going to leave this one for the tutorial. But if you want to edit and replace, you can go ahead and do that down here. And you could change the title and the subtitle as well. So I could put here tutorials, for example, because that's what I do on my channel. And obviously you could change it and make it bold or anything like that if you want to edit any of that stuff. But once you're done that there, you can just click on the X option at the top. And then we have the area where the YouTube videos will be. Since I already linked my YouTube channel to Wix previously, it now shows my videos here. So this is showing all my Wix tutorials here. If you need more Wix tutorials, be sure to go check out the link in the description or in the comments if you want to watch any of these videos to help you more. But basically, this is where it connects any social media that you connect already. If you want to change the design of the specific one, you can just go up to design up here, and then we'll show you different layouts that you could use here for your YouTube specifically. Like if you want to advertise one certain video and some under it, you can go ahead and change the layout. I'm just going to leave this layout for this video just because it makes it easier. And then under here, you have the option to connect your Instagram that I set up before. So now all you want to do to change that and edit your Instagram and put them in, you want to click on settings. And then here you'll be able to connect your Instagram. All you have to do is click on that. And if you're already signed in on your computer or laptop, you'll be able to connect it instantly. And then here you can adjust some stuff as well, like the pop-up mode. So you could change it to dark mode, for example, or you could have it for full width to make it more smooth, just like this. This does look a lot better. So I'll actually leave this just like this. And then I will click on the X to finish that area. And then if you continue scrolling down, you can see just your get in touch page. So you just want to go through here and fill all this stuff in if you don't already have it in. But if you set it up previously in the about section before, it'll already put that there. So yeah, everything should be set up from this point. Anyhow, I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to create your own Wix website in about 8 to 9 minutes. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.